path B. Path B is located. So what is it? What is left out? Take this top view length, bring it here. Similarly, take this front view length, bring it to the other side. Remember, these two lines, they should lie on the same projector. So what you have to name? First, you give reasonable naming. First, you start with A dash. Give this name as B1 dash. It's not a final answer. So remember, B dash is reserved for the final answer. So B dash. So the corresponding point here is B1. Again, go for this particular point. Name this as B2. Then the respective point here is B2 dash. B2 dash. So once you turn this here, you will get the final answer, that is B dash. This is your B dash. So this is path B dash. So when you join these two, you will get the final answer front view. You join these two, you will get the final answer top view. So this final answer is B. AB is top view. This is path B. Remember, first you locate A dash. Then you find out this theta, place it on the true length. Then project, you will be getting one trapezium. This bottom is, it represents final top view length. Again you go to the point A dash, place pi. That pi you assume it as 45 degree. So with the true length, find out this place. This is path for B, final B. You project this, you will get a shortened length. This is nothing but the final front view length. So take this final front view length, the path is also known, so place it on the path, you will get the final answer. Similarly, the final top view length is known, you place it on the path, you will get the final top view answer. Let this be a straight line. A reduced length is your final top view. Here, reduced length is your final front view. Again, look at the next case. It's very simple. You see the same thing. You have one theta value and pi value. What happened here? Theta plus pi is 90. So remember to check this summation every time. It's a very peculiar problem. The same answer you will get, but what happens? This line will come vertical. So your answer for this case is simple. It looks like this. The answer lies definitely in a single projector. You have A dash here, then you will have the B dash at the top, then you have the A point here, B point at the bottom. Exactly A dash, B dash, they lie in a single projector. The projection of the straight line lies on the single projector. How do we get the true length then? It's very simple. Draw one 45 degree line. Try to project this line on the 45 degree line. This locates the location of A. You can make it as A double dash. Okay, if you bring this line locates the location of B. You can put this as B double dash. You join this A dash B dash. This will give you the true length. So your front view is a reduced length vertical. Top view is again a reduced length vertical. Whereas the side view is a true length inclined. So find out this. You see the angle theta is available here and pi is available here. So naturally the sum total should be 90. Here again you have the last type. It's very simple. So here one point is on HP. So its front view will be on XY line. Another point is on VP, so therefore its top view will be on XY line. See, all these cases we take true length, we project, then we turn. So we give a special name for this method. So this method is what is known as rotating line method. So this rotating line method will not be applicable for the last type, 10th type. So we have to take the measurement separately, and finally we have to arrive at that answer. So the procedure is very simple. At a random point, start P1 dash, check the required theta, So you will find out the path now. This is the final path. So you get now the reduced length. So this is the final top view length. Similarly, take one more point, Q2. Put the other angle, pi. This angle is theta. This angle is pi. So you get another path for B. Again, you are getting the reduced length. This is the final front view length. So take a fresh point, name that point as P dash. Take the front view length, cut it here. You will get final P dash Q dash. Then bring it to the bottom. It touches at XY. So obviously you will get Q. Bring this line to the path. It touches the path of B. So obviously you will get B. Join these two. So this line represents final top view length. This line represents final front view length. Instead of bringing it to the top, you can take this as radius. You can keep a Q as center and final top view length this as radius, and you can cut and you can arrive at the answer. See this? Here P dash Q dash is an answer front view, PQ is answer top view. Now let's see. Here A dash B dash is a reduced length front view, AB is a reduced length top view. A and A dash should lie on the same line, B and B dash should lie on the same line. Here in this case, A dash B dash is the front view, it should be made dark, and AB is the top view, it again should be made dark. But the beauty is that the A dash B dash AB, they lie in a single projector. Here you will first take the true length and true inclination theta. With that you will arrive at the final top view length. Again in the next step you will take the true inclination pi n for the true length. Here you are getting the path for Q dash. Here you are getting path P. So you are getting the final front view length. So take one fresh point P dash with P dash as center and the final front view length as radius. You can make one arc and you can locate Q dash. Bring this Q dash and make it touch XY line, you will get Q. Similarly, bring it here, you will get P.